Hi everyone! Good evening and welcome sa video ni Silver. Look at guys, Silver is wearing now his anti-leaking collar. Because you know why? It is better than t-shirt. Then he can feel his furs. Diba? Kasi yung t-shirts niya, many already were broken. So, it's better na yung anti-leaking collar yung gagamitin sa kanya. At meron siyang tatlo. Silver have 3 pieces of this anti-leaking collar. And he is very happy. Look at him. O, diba? Silver can very easily sleep with collar and can very easily eat and drink. You see? He's so happy because nasusuklay ang kanyang buhok. Ayan. So, don't worry, guys. For those who loving Silver and cat lovers, don't worry because Silver is happy in his anti-leaking collar. Kasi kapag t-shirt, you know, one night you put a new t-shirt, next morning it's already broken. Okay? Ito, look at this sa kanyang back. You see, furs are growing. Before, palak yan. May sugat yan before. May wounds, but it's already cured now. And his tummy, oh look, already cured, healed, and may mga bagong balahibo na rin. But Silver still continue leaking and leaking and leaking hanggang magkakaroon na naman siya ng bagong sugat. May bagong sugat siya sa likod ng kanyang tainga. He got a new wound behind of his ear. Yung one ear niya. So it's better na mayroon siyang anti-leaking collar. You see, it is evening now, so Silver is guarding his hiri. Yung yung forest, maliliit na mouse. Yan. Guarding while winter outside, freezing. And today ay 2 araw pa lang na si Silver ay nag-wear ng anti-leaking collar. So, hindi siya nagsasuffer. He is very happy for that. Oh, syempre malungkot siya kasi hindi pa siya sanay. But very soon, tomorrow is 3 days na Silver is wearing the anti-leaking collar and he will get used to it, so hindi na siya malulungkot, di ba? But you know, he can still use his hands. Tasot. Where are you going, Silver? Para kamutin. O, yan. O, bababa ka na. Okay, so we are coming down. You see, he can move and he can walk. He can play. He can eat. He can drink. He can drink. Diba? Ayan. Oh, magbabantay na naman kami ng forest mouse. Okay? Oh, happy na siya. Mabilis pa siyang tumakbo. Look, oh, how exciting he is. Oh, yung yung sa likod niya na yan, na na may palak. That's the wound na ginawa niya. So, nakailang ilang t-shirt na siya na sinira. So, tinatapon lang. Kaya, ayan, trinay namin yung anti-leaking collar. Hindi siya makakapag-leaking, makapagdilap-dilap ng kanyang balahibo, but pwede niyang gamitin ang kanyang mga kamay para magkamot pa rin. Yan. Very easily, cat can do normal doings. Kahit mayroon siyang collar. Okay, nakakaihi siya, nakakapagpupo siya, and kain, drinking, playing, sleeping. It is okay. Ayan ang isang collar niya. Mayroon pa siyang isang collar. Kulay, ito ay orange, so mayroon pa siyang yellow. And the blue. Ayan, ginamit namin ng blue kasi para cute siya, di ba? Oh, ganda-ganda. Pogi-pogi yan, Silver. Kagabi, pagtulog, katabi ko siya dito sa couch. Dito kami dalawa natulog. Habang nag-snoring siya, hinihimas ko siya. Yan. Oh, tingnan ninyo yon. Pogi-pogi yan. Ayaw niya sa camera, kaya bumabangga. Bumabangga. Liko ng konti. Oh, look at him. O, diba? Pogi-pogi yan. Yan. Guys, don't worry, okay? Silver having anti-leaking collar. So, he cannot continue leaking and leaking every night, every day. Because winter is here, so yung new balahibo niya, new fur, ay tumutubo. That's why it is very itchy when the new furs are growing. Very itchy, so he leaking and leaking and leaking until may wounds na siya. So it's better, kahit naka-t-shirt siya, bubutasin niya yung kanyang mga t-shirt. Sisirain niya. Okay? He's biting his t-shirt until he got again small wounds. You know, mahalang pa doktor dito sa mga pets. Okay, so cute. Oh, look at him. Very happy in his blue anti-collar. Leaking, okay? He's a little bit sad, but he's very happy. Because I guess, mas mabuti na wala siyang t-shirt. Kasi nararamdaman niya yung kanyang body na may balahibo. O, diba? Kasi kapag naka-t-shirt siya, hindi niya nararamdaman na may balahibo siya. O, kaya it's better na itong collar. O, tapos sinusuklayan siya. Maraming beses every day combing para hindi na hindi kakatiba. O, hindi magiging itchy. O, yan ang kanyang isang orange na collar. O, may yellow pa yan. 3 yan eh. Okay, so ayan si Silver. Don't worry, cat lovers. Okay, and don't worry, Silver lover. Yan, because he is happy of his collar. Yan, right now he is snoring here. There, it's snoring there and happy sleeping. Okay, so I hope na mag-get used niya ang collar. And then makakalimutan niya na mag-leaking, magdilap-dilap ba ng kanyang balahibo. Kasi when he leaking, it cause a lot of small wounds. Then it's become worse kapag palaging dadalhin sa doktor. Kasi mahal ang doktor ng mga pets dito. Okay, so ayan o, kompleto siya ng pagkain. O, nakakakain siya ng maayos, nakakainom siya ng maayos. And then, nakakaihi at nakakapopo siya. So, wag mag-alala. Kompleto siya ng pagkain. Mayroon pa siyang cream. O, ayan. Very easily. O, may cream pa yan siya dyan. May water, may foods, may biscuits and everything. Okay? Ayan. So, wag mag-alala na ang pusa ay sad. He is happy at hindi na siya makapag-cause ng wounds. Kaya, ayan siya. Say something, Silver. And thank you so much, guys, for watching.